Hello everybody, this is Dale Waite with SpinetiX. I'm the Western Region Sales Manager and I'm at the Alamo E4 event in Anaheim, California. So I wanted to talk about SpinetiX, what it is, what we do. So we specialize in digital signage solutions and we are a complete solution end-to-end. And what we do is we do the CMS, which is the content management solution. We have a cloud version called RE Enterprise, and we have an on-premise version called Elementi software. But we also do the media players as well. But we do the cloud development, we do the operating system, we do professional services, so anything end-to-end with a digital signage solution, we do it all. So the cloud CMS, it is a subscription model where basically you have a very simple interface that you can have an unlimited number of users, and you can actually kind of see this right here, and the actual CMS as well. Template-based, but you can customize the templates, and you can also do a custom blank template as well. It's designed for people to just try it, 10 minutes, 15 minutes max. They know how to use it. There's no training required. Extremely simple to use, and it's very low cost entry point as well. Then we also have the Elementi software that's for advanced signage needs. So if you want to bring in live data feeds from things like live web pages, you want to do live streaming, bring in live spreadsheets, third-party interactivity, video walls, custom resolutions, anything you can imagine for advanced signage features, our Elementi software is powerful enough to do that with pretty much any signage platform that you might be looking for. So any questions that you might have, we invite you to come to our website, SpinetiXUSA.com, and also feel free to contact your Alamo representative and they can also assist you, and we'd love to engage you and provide a quick demo for you guys. So thanks for your time, enjoy the show.